Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra. I am 20 years old and I'm from the Bay Area. So today, hola. So we just made it to LA. We drove this morning. We left super early. We're only gonna be here for like 24 hours technically, because tomorrow we're heading over to San Diego to be with my cousin. I'm taking Atas because we're gonna reunite her with my cousin. So we're gonna spend the weekend with my cousin and then we'll drive back home. So I thought I would take you along to a little LA and San Diego vlog. So I got chicken tenders with lemonade and fries. Atas got the same thing. And then Caesar got his burger. We are at Miniso. This is my first time here. Showing Atas some things here. There's so many cute things. I feel like my little self would have loved this store. I can't believe this is my first time here. This smells so good. Huele rico. Yeah, huele rico. I think it's for the car. I don't know what this. Fragrance gel perfume. Este para el carro. Oh my gosh, I want this now. We are now gonna head over to Caesar's family for today, and then I will update you soon.
If it goes bad, it can go down too.
What?
If it doesn't shoot up, it can shoot to the side too. If they don't go up, they can shoot to a house too. You'll explode.
She said it's got it. Look at all the fireworks. Good morning. So we are in LA, just woke up. We are gonna go out to eat. We're just getting ready. But I wanted to show you what I got yesterday and then what Caesar got, because he got more exciting things. But I just got 3 pieces of clothing from H&M. So I just got this tank top. It was super affordable. I think it's like $10. I got that, and then I got 2 more things. Both of them are kind of for work though. So I got this one. This was $17.99. Thought this would be perfect for work, and also for like this weather, because I feel like the material is super nice and like breathable. So I ended up getting this one from H&M. Lastly, I got this vest because I don't have any vests. So this was $5. It was on sale. I know this is more like a winter thing because right now it's so hot in California, but I thought I would get it anyways because either way I'm gonna have to get one eventually, because I feel like it's like a staple thing to have. It's like a black simple vest. So got this one. Super simple, and it's a size small. I love that it was $5 because that was like perfect, and it was a size small. So I was like, I need to get this like right now. That is my haul, and I'm gonna show you the shoes that Caesar got because I was just like so excited for him. So he got 2 pairs of shoes. This one, the brand is OQC. He got this pair right here, which I thought was really nice. And then the other ones, I was looking for New Balance, but there wasn't like one at the mall that really was like, okay, I really want that one so bad enough to like buy it today or yesterday. They also didn't have these in girls, but he got these New Balance as well. So these are the white and black. I think they look super nice. They go with my shirt. But this is what they look like. They look super nice. I don't think they had it in the girls option, but there was this option and then like the full black one, but I thought this would be like nicer. So we ended up getting those 2 pairs. So we're gonna finish getting ready and then we're gonna head out. We're gonna go out to breakfast or brunch, I guess, soon. The fireworks last night were so loud. So loud. I have never witnessed like fireworks this up close, because all we had to do was literally sit outside in the front yard and we saw all the fireworks pretty much. Like, it was crazy. There were so many. I'm just gonna finish getting ready, so I will update you soon.
I was on a plane to California. I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for you? I think that I was hiding in between. How long did you wait for me?
Found the Peruvian hat.
How long?
This was my favorite movie.
Did you
I had these $3. Yeah, I had those. I love them. They were This is so cool. My cousin rented this from the rooftop of this is San Diego. We're gonna have barbecue here. Look at the view. It's so gorgeous. Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and thumbs up this video because it helps out my channel so much. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!